Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We have another special video with our partnership on LastFit. We actually have worked with them so that we can develop a kit on the LED lights that I feel is most important on upgrading for this Toyota Tacoma. So there's three lights, like I said. One of them is going to be for the amber side marker lights, and then two rear end lights, one consisting of the reverse lights and the other ones for the license plate lights. And we're going to show you guys a side-by-side comparison and a review on these lights. So let's get to it. All right guys, so a closer look to these LED lights. So of course they're from LastFit. They are a leading company in LED bulbs. So as you can see on your far left, there is the amber side marker lights. We also have the white reverse lights and the white license plate bulbs. So I'll go ahead and show you guys how to remove the old lights and replace them with these new ones, and we'll show you how to install them. All right guys, so now we're gonna get into the amber light install. Typically we call it amber because of the orange tint that it emits. So as you can see, it's located right here on the side, and to access the bulb, it's on the back. So I'll go ahead and show you how they look on. And as you can see, it's kind of dull. These LEDs are going to be way brighter and give a more intense orange tint to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the light and show you guys on the inside how to remove the bulb and replace it. All right, so moving in from the front view of the truck, on the driver's side, you will see that the socket for that side marker is right here. So you want to go ahead and twist counterclockwise to remove it. And then you want to just simply slide out. And this is how you pull that marker off. This, you just simply want to tug on it. Comes off really easy. Here's a comparison with the old halogen bulb, very dull light, I have to say, and the very bright LED amber light on your right side. And then you want to take your amber light right here and go ahead and insert that. And now that the bulb is on, you want to go ahead and slide it into the housing and then twist clockwise. Now I'm going to turn on the lights, and the halogen is placed on your left side and the new LED on the right side. So I'm going to go ahead and switch it on so you can see the difference. As you can see guys, this is the old halogen bulb versus the LED LastFit bulb. And honestly, the video might not do it justice, but it is a night and day difference. All right guys, so now that we have the amber side marker lights on and installed, I definitely think that these are a necessary upgrade, because from the jump when I got this truck, I always thought that the halogen lights were very weak. They didn't output anything. Really, my fog lights were outshining the amber lights, but now I feel like it's very balanced now from the front. So definitely think that you guys should get this. So now that we have installed this, let's go ahead and move to the rear and install the reverse lights and the license plate bulbs. All right guys, so now that we have moved to the back, we're gonna go ahead and replace these bulbs for the license plate light bulbs. You wanna go ahead and get a Phillips screw head and remove both of these screws off of here, and they should come right off, and then I'll go ahead and show you what that looks like. All right guys, here's the side-by-side comparison. We're gonna go ahead and swap out for the LED bulbs, and it's the same steps, so very simple. Alright guys, as you can see, the left side has that new white LED, and honestly it looks so much better in person. And then on that right side is that ugly, very ugly halogen yellow light. So that'll definitely light up that license plate a lot better and just make it look more attractive from the rear end. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the right side, and it's yeah, we'll go ahead and move to the reverse lights right after. Alright guys, so here's another up close video on the LED bulbs. They're a lot better. Alright guys, now to the final light bulb upgrade is going to be the reverse light. So it's going to be all white. Only thing you need from this is a ratchet and a 10 mil. In order to swap out these LED lights, you're gonna have to take off this tail light housing. In order to remove the tail light housing, you're gonna have to take off these 3 10 mil bolts. So I'll go ahead and take these off. Next, in order to fully remove this, there's 2 clips on the outside. All you want to do is pull the tail light towards you. Just make sure you got a good grip from the bottom, from the top, and pull. All right guys, so the reverse light is actually in this housing right here. So it's behind these wires. So if you have a Tacoma, you just need to unclip these, and then that's the one that you need to access. So you just want to go ahead and turn that counterclockwise and go ahead and pull it out, and as you can see, there it is. So you want to go ahead and replace that with the new bulb. Simple. And as you can see, here's the difference between the very quality LED bulb and the halogen. One thing I wanted to show was the actual brand name. I think that's pretty cool. So go ahead and replace these and insert it the same way that you did before. There we go. And then snug that inside. And to tighten it, you want to turn clockwise. There we go. Alright guys, now that we have installed the LED light on this one, I have left the halogen on the outside, so I'm going to go ahead and jump inside the truck and put it in reverse real quick so that you guys can see the differences. Alright guys, I hope you can hear me. Truck is on, but here you go. Here's the 2 LED lights. They look so much better, so bright, and I can't wait to test them out. Alright guys, and that concludes our video for the LED kit for the truck. I do have everything linked down below, so make sure you check out those links if you want to purchase one of the lights. So you don't have to purchase all 3 of them. They're separate links, so if you're leaning towards one of them or the other, go ahead and check them out and purchase from that link. So yet again, guys, thank you for the support. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, and then I'll see you guys on the next one.